Imagine having a personal chef for gourmet mushrooms right on your kitchen counter, delivering fresh harvests in just 7 days. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, meet Sproushi, the AI-powered mushroom grow kit that's about to revolutionize your culinary adventures. Ever tried growing mushrooms at home with those flimsy cardboard boxes, plastic tents, and mist bottles? You know the drill. 2 weeks of anxious waiting, hoping for the best, and often ending up with nothing but disappointment. But here's where it gets controversial. What if you could turn that frustrating experience into a seamless, high-tech process? Sproushi claims to do just that, and it's not just about the mushrooms. It's about the entire experience. Designed by Marilyn Comdur and Ali Issa, Sproushi is a compact, powder-coated metal box that looks more like a sleek kitchen gadget than a science experiment. At about 18 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 14 inches high, it fits perfectly next to your coffee maker without looking out of place. The design is modern and slightly show-offy, with a glassy front and a touchscreen that gives you that I have a lab in my kitchen vibe. The magnetic power connection is a genius touch, making setup a breeze. And if you're into batch growing, the stackable concept is a game changer. But let's talk about the real selling point: speed. With Sproushi, you can have oyster mushrooms in just 6 to 8 days, lion's mane in 10 to 14, and even the notoriously slow Reishi in under a month and a half. That means you can go from I want mushrooms to check out my haul in about the time it takes to binge watch a Netflix series. Each batch yields up to 4 portions, so you're not left with just a single cap after 2 weeks. So, what's inside this little box of magic? Sproushi comes equipped with an ultrasonic humidifier for perfect moisture control, a whisper-quiet fan with a HEPA filter for optimized airflow, a time-lapse camera for AI-assisted hands-off growing, a touchscreen for easy control, and a magnetic power port for hassle-free setup. The kit also includes cleaning gear and spare humidifier wicks because hygiene is crucial when it comes to mushroom growing. Every component feels durable and designed for long-term use. Not just a one-season wonder. Now, let's dive into what makes Sproushi stand out from the graveyard of failed mushroom gadgets. The secret sauce is the AI, specifically SproutSense AI. This built-in camera and sensor system watches your mushrooms grow and adjusts their environment in real time. It's like having a personal mushroom butler who actually knows what they're doing. The AI keeps tabs on growth stages, humidity, airflow, and light, ensuring your mushrooms get the perfect conditions without you having to lift a finger. The ultrasonic humidifier can switch from desert dry to rainforest humid in seconds, and the HEPA-filtered fan keeps the air fresh, preventing any unwanted guests. The mushroom selection is impressive, too. Oysters are the crowd pleasers, meaty, nutty, and way more flavorful than store-bought. Lion's mane is for the health-obsessed and food geeks, with its steak-like texture and promises of mental clarity. Reishi, the immortality mushroom, is perfect for those dabbling in teas and supplements. And the best part? Sproushi lets you use their capsules or your own spores, giving you the freedom to experiment without being locked into one company's supply chain. But Sproushi isn't just about mushrooms. One of the sleeper features is the Sprout Tray, which transforms the box into a hydroponic herb garden. Basil, cilantro, mint, whatever fits in the tray, the AI will grow it for you on autopilot. Having both mushrooms and herbs growing side by side in matching boxes feels like the future of countertop agriculture, making the device way more versatile than most of its single-use competitors. For the control freaks, or the genuinely curious, Sproushi doesn't lock you out of the process. You can create custom grow programs to dial in specific settings if you want to experiment with weird species, or just see if you can optimize yields like a mushroom-obsessed mad scientist. It'll run in full autopilot for the set-it-and-forget-it crowd using the touchscreen, but also lets you play with humidity and airflow settings using the free mobile app if you're feeling adventurous. And for the Instagram crowd, the time-lapse camera is a delight. Watching oyster mushrooms burst out of their substrate and fast forward is genuinely mesmerizing. and Sproushi turns it into shareable video clips automatically. I can't help but think Sproushi is landing at the perfect time. Food prices are all over the place. Most mushrooms can't even be found in stores due to their ridiculously short shelf life. And there's a genuine interest in local, sustainable, and DIY food production that's only growing. A countertop box that spits out gourmet mushrooms and herbs with basically zero effort is a dream for city dwellers and anyone with a black thumb. Plus, watching mushrooms grow is weirdly soothing, and the time-lapse videos are the kind of thing you'll want to show off to your friends, or at least your group chat. The promise of harvesting your own rare mushrooms in about a week with minimal effort is incredibly enticing. Each capsule is designed to yield approximately 4 portions, which is a significant amount and certainly enough for a few meals or to share with friends. The Sproushi comes in 4 colors: pearl white, forest green, midnight blue, matte black, and starts at $250 on Kickstarter for just the device, or $275 with 2 mushroom capsules of your choice included. Additional capsule packs cost $30 for a 2-pack, or $90 for a 6-pack if you're a meat-craving vegan or one of those mushrooms are great for the brain evangelists. An extra $45 will also yield you the sprout tray to turn your fungi-matic into a veritable herb garden. But here's the part most people miss: the potential for Sproushi to disrupt the entire mushroom industry. Imagine if everyone started growing their own mushrooms at home. What would happen to the commercial mushroom market? And what about the environmental impact of reducing the need for large-scale mushroom farms? These are the kinds of questions that get me excited about the future of food technology. So, are you ready to join the mushroom revolution? Click the link below to buy now and start your own countertop mushroom farm today. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and see the magic unfold. And this is the part most people miss. The real magic of Sproushi isn't just in the mushrooms. It's in the community it creates. Imagine sharing your time-lapse videos with fellow mushroom enthusiasts, swapping spores and experimenting with new grow programs. The possibilities are endless, and the community is waiting for you to join. Click here to buy now. $250. https://www.kickstarter.com/projects/Sproushi AI-powered mushroom grower. Hurry, only a few are left. Raised over $215,000. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Sproushi is the future of home gardening? Or is it just a fancy gadget that will end up collecting dust? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get this conversation started.